This is stupid. Gotta do lifters. And to do the lifters, gotta get the timing cover off. And to get the timing cover off, gotta get the valve cover off. To get the valve cover off, gotta get the battery bracket out. To get the battery bracket out, gotta get the tipman box out. And the battery out. It still doesn't come out. So now we're gonna move the power steering pump just to give us that little bit of a corner. But I still believe there's something hidden in there. And then long story short, then I'm gonna be able to get to this bracket, all right? And all the bolts on that side of the valve cover. And then who knows, I might have to just pull the engine out just to do some lifters. Ain't this some shit? Oh yeah, and then the lifter that failed always on the Jeep, 3.6, exhaust side, driver side, all the way in the back.